Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can remove or delete recurring events in your calendar on OneCalendar app. So let us begin. So guys, navigate to the calendar or OneCalendar app, and navigate also to the recurring event. As you can see, I created this recurring event here. So it is repeated every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and that goes on into the future here for the next month. So it would take quite a lot of time to remove each one of these entries one by one. So this is how you can delete the repeating or recurring event by simply clicking into the first or any of these, left click into it, click into delete here in the event details, and choose one of these options. Now in this case here, if you'd like to delete also all upcoming events of that event chain, select delete all events or delete this and following events. But don't go with the first option, delete only this event, because if I do that and confirm, as you can see, only that entry will be deleted. So if I delete all entries, for example, delete this and following events, confirm, all of them will be removed, as you can see. And that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.